We're ready?
Fucking ready for this shit.
We're stealing a bottle of champagne. And we're just gonna say that it fell. We're gonna say it fell on the ground.
Look how thick this is. How, like... Alright, let's do this.
And, I don't know, we're just gonna do something and lie.
I don't know how to do this.
You're such assholes. Oh god.
Twists.
Is he gonna shoot? If it shoots, hopefully it doesn't shoot. No, not again. I'm scared. I can't do it. You gotta push down. Push, push. Ah! Ah! Dude, we just stole champagne from my uncle. Dude, that just went far. 420, we're not smoking weed, we're getting wasted.
We're drinking.
Yeah.
We're not
Fuck you, bitches. Alright, pour a glass. God damn, I feel like such an asshole. How many there's a couple. Wait, there's another one. Yeah, those are champagne.
Allie and John.
Yep, they got married. Excuse me. That's why I'm not supposed to fill it up so much. Ah!
Her balls, though. You fill it up all the way.
It's a fucking Moet, bitch. Ready? Cheers.
Fuck yeah.